Mi laridito que tanta gente dice que no hay nada que hacer en nuestra tierrita linda. Well, this Saturday, January 26, 2014, the streets of historic downtown Laredo will be having our 16th annual U.E.T Jamboozie Festival from 5 p.m. to midnight. The Jamboozie will not disappoint with this year's lineup of food, fun, and entertainment. LMS President Brock Haynes and U.E.T Jamboozie Chairperson Victor Garcia announced the musical entertainment for this year's lively street party will include headliner Celso Piña. General admission tickets pre-sale $10 and at the door $15. You can buy the tickets downtown at the duty-free store located at 1219 Hidalgo Street and IBC 200 San Bernardo Avenue. They will also be selling them at the H-E-B in the South Side, at the IBC Mall, Mike's Western Wear on San Bernardo, and the Walmart on Loop 20. Come to the Jamboozie and enjoy that Saturday night.
I'll be ready to party.